Zimbabwe is a country where good news rarely makes the headlines. Yet for a brief moment, the nation found renewed hope after hearing the Vice President's speech, a message that resonated with honesty, humility, and a promise of renewal. It was a moment when many Zimbabweans began to believe that perhaps integrity and leadership could once again coexist in our politics. Sanamina mashoko kudanyuka panguva inoshinzi, a president who lied to the masses takanyeperwa ndobva subscribe like on the bell icon. Chipinda pano paZim kudanyura chiti. However, that hope was short-lived. Soon after the inspiring words came a resolution that left many questioning the sincerity of our leaders. The decision not only eroded public trust, but also destroyed the credibility of the party itself. What started as a mission of reassurance now feels like a carefully crafted statement, one that sounded good, but was never meant to be implemented. The irony is hard to miss. The president himself has consistently said that he would never extend his term of office, no matter what anyone says, because he considered himself a constitutionalist. This is the same man who helped to draft the 2017 Zimbabwe Constitution, a document meant to protect the will of the people and preserve democratic governance. If our leaders truly proceed to tamper with that constitution, then we as citizens will be forecast to conclude that honesty has lost its place in leadership, because honest leaders do not change constitutions, not through a referendum, and certainly not through parliamentary votes, especially in a situation where opposing voices have been systematically weakened. Good governance remains the cornerstone of national success. A country cannot build trust, unity, or progress on shifting constitutional stance. True leadership is not about power, but about integrity, keeping one's word even when it is inconvenient. Zimbabweans deserve leaders who honor their oaths and stand by the constitution they helped create. Thomas Karuda panguva ino vanhu vachiti aiwa takanyeperwa, vakomana ava vanouya vachiimplementa zvinhu zvavasingazouyi vachizo executor on the ground. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinda kumesection medu mafunguro enyu. So subscribe or like, catch it on the bell icon.